How to join or merge multiple audio files into one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily combine two MP3 files into one, all online and for free. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the vocalremover.org. Now here, once you are on this page, on the left hand menu, click on Joiner and after that, click on Browse My File. Now, upload the MP3 file or audio files you want to merge. You can upload multiple files here. And here, once you have done that, in order you want them to be merged, you can go to the bottom right corner and just click on Save. And after that, your audio files will be merged and saved as a single MP3 file. And that's it. Now you have one seamless audio file made from multiple tracks, perfect for podcasts, music mixes, or audiobooks. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.